Hello everyone, this is Prajakta Namre. In this video, I am going to present research report writing as my presentation topic for business research methods. So let's start the video. So first discuss a research or project report. What is a research or project report? A research report is a precise presentation of the work done by a researcher while investigating a particular problem and whether the study is conducted by an individual researcher or by an institution. Then next is objective of report writing. What are the objectives of report writing? Understand the purpose of report, plan a report, understand the structure of a report, collect information for your report, organize your information, use an appropriate style of writing, present data effectively, understand how to lay out your information in an appropriate way. Next is the finding of study should be reported for several reasons, and these reasons are: people learn more about the area of study, the discipline gets enriched with new knowledge and theories, researchers and practitioners in the field can apply, test, and retest the findings already arrived at. Other researchers can refer to the findings and utilize the findings for further research. Finding can be utilized and implemented by the policymakers or those who had sponsored the project. Then next is different step in report writing. The usual steps involved in writing report are: first one is logical analysis of the subject matter, preparation of the final outline, preparation of the rough draft, rewriting and polishing, preparation of the final bibliography, writing the final draft. Then next is different steps in writing report. First step is logical analysis of subject matter, primarily concerned with the development of a subject. There are two ways in which to develop a subject, that is logically and chronologically. Second is preparation of the final outline. Outlines are the framework upon which long written works are constructed. They are an aid to the logical organization of the material and a reminder of the points to be stressed in the report. Third one is preparation of the rough draft. This follows the logical analysis of subject and the preparation of the final outline. Such a steps is of utmost importance for the researcher now seeks to write down what he has done in the context of his research study. Fourth one is rewriting and polishing of the rough draft. This step happens to be most difficult part of all formal writing. In addition, the researcher should give due attention to the fact that in his rough draft he has been consistent or not. He should the mechanics of writing, grammar, spelling and usage. Fifth one is preparation of the final bibliography. Next in order come the task of preparation of the final bibliography. The bibliography which is generally appended to the research report. The bibliography should be arranged alphabetically. Generally, this pattern of bibliography is considered convenient and satisfactory from the point of view of reader. Sixth one is writing the final draft. The final draft should be written in a concise and objective style in a simple language, avoiding vague expressions such as it seems, there may be, and like ones. It must be remember that every report should be an attempt to solve some intellectual problem and must contribute to the solution of a problem and must add to the knowledge of both the researcher and the reader. Then, significance of report writing. What are the significance or importance of the report writing? It is considered a major component of research study as the research remains incomplete without report. A report should be properly dated and signed by the concerned authority or by the chairman of the committee or by all committee members. This has legal significance and needs special attention in report writing. A lengthy report is not necessary. In fact, report should be brief and compact document. It should give complete picture of problem under investigation. Writing reports needs skills and this task should be accomplished by a researcher with the utmost care. Reports discloses unknown information. A good report is one which is drafted in a simple and clear language. It should be not be difficult and a reader should be able to understand the entire report easily, exactly and quickly. All the skills and the knowledge of the professionals are communicated through reports. Reports help the top line in decision making. A true and balanced report also helps in problem solving. A report should be in proper format. This report should have all the essentials components such as title, introduction, findings, and recommendations. In a report writing, attention should be given to certain essential technical details. For example, the pages and paragraphs of the report should be numbered properly. Marginal heading and title should be given. This gives convenience to the readers. The data collection, analysis, and interpretation of the data conclusions drawn and the recommendations made in the report should be made accurate so as to make the full report reliable and dependable for future reference and also for policy decisions. Then, conclusion. Reports in the written form are useful for future references. Reports provide adequate and correct information as well as statistical data to management and helps in decision making. A report provides information of unknown facts in new ideas, new vision, new solution to problem, new research about a particular matter. A report provides valuable information to all sectors in the business. Hence, reports are useful for solving the problem of various departments. Report acts as an important and effective internal tool of communication. So, this is all about report writing. Thank you.